Forensic Undergrowth is about the discussion on the extension of the A27 highway, where we took multiple non-human actors who were involved in this discussion, or not involved enough into this discussion, and turned them into video testimonies.
There are 5 objects which represent an actor of this environment. And you can take one of these objects and place them on a pedestal, and you can see a testimony from them.
So the room where we're showing our work in is of course amazing, with all this old tapestry and this old depiction of what people thought was beautiful nature. And in that scenery, that's where we have the sort of forum or court hearing, where they all voice their concerns and what they're thinking about right now regarding the space and how they're sharing it together. So we also have traffic. What does traffic want in this debate? It's not just human interest. What does human culture and recreation want? And of course the trees were always used as arguments. So it's really about how do they make use of the space and how do they experience space. We also tried to interpret the water in a certain movement and try to use the material that is used on the road, or use the bark itself to give it a presence, to let the material speak by itself. For others, we used a lot of acrylic sheets actually, but in order to get more the shape right and the expression. So that's more an artistic interpretation. Yeah, so we came here a few times to look at how the ecosystem works in Amelisweerd and how do these different things come together and interact. And it was especially striking to see how these lanes, just these massive, beautiful lanes with this outlook, are just so meticulously crafted. And so you have this thing of, is this now culture, is this nature, is this human influence, or is this really wild? And yeah, that's quite fascinating to see.